So this is a new gimbal, a new stabilizer for a mobile phone, and I just got this. I backed this online on a crowdfunding platform, and I've got it for a few days now. I'm gonna take a look at it. It's the Atom 3-axis filming stabilizer, extremely portable, from Snoppa. They knew, like I said, they had a crowdfunding online, and basically it's a foldable phone stabilizer. Okay, now I'm gonna have a quick look at it. Comes with a mini tripod like this, and let's open this up nicely. So, you know, usual thread on the top, and your little folding legs that you can use this with a gimbal. And I'm gonna open this up now. It is sealed, so let me see how is the best way to open it up so I don't damage this. Let's pull this. Okay, it's not gonna work. So right here I have a seal that I'm gonna cut. Here, open it up. Nice little box inside. Again, a couple of seals, top and bottom. And cut this open. And remove the top. In the box you have a quick starting diagrams here, some quick starting diagrams, the gimbal itself, the stabilizer, and what else do we have in the box? A little carry bag made out of some kind of textile, anyway, and right here a couple of cables. This is a USB-C to USB-C cable, very good for the newer phones like the Samsung S8 and such. This is a USB-C to a, I would guess this is an Apple connection right here. I'm sure it's an Apple connection, but me not having any Apple's products, I would maybe think Thunderbolt or whatever. And then the USB-C to USB-A. This is the charging cable that you're gonna charge the device with, plus a little microphone cable. I would think that this you're gonna use, plug it into your phone, and it's for sound. In this little thing here, little envelope, you have the warranty card right here, and the thank you note that comes from the team that they've made it. Now, there isn't really a manual for it as a printed manual, but let's go and and find out how we gotta put this on. I saw somewhere a QR code, so there's a QR code right here. I'm gonna scan this with my phone and get the app for it. I know it needs an app, so or I'll just go to Google Play. Now that's installing, and to open this up and set it up, you see a push button right here. I'm going to push this and lift this up until it snaps into place. As you can see, it's like that. And other than that, I'm just looking at these instructions right here, which are not the most clear, and looking at it, trying to figure this out. There's a lock here that turns clockwise. If you hold it like this, clockwise would be lock, anti-clockwise unlock. I twisted it, so now it is unlocked, as you can see. But let's open the app as well. I'm gonna open the app and turn this off, give the app the authorization it needs, allow everything. In my case, it depends on your case, whatever you want to allow it to do. And then you have the setup screen. Enter device. You have a quick guide. Thank you for choosing Atom and all that. Press the quick guide. Let's just see what's going to happen. So you have the tutorial and the manual, unfold and fold, mounting the mobile phone, power on and off, and everything else. Now I'm gonna go back, and right here I have some Chinese letters, so let me go to the settings and then general, Bluetooth, quick customer service, exit Atom and everything else. So let's first put this on. There's a power button right here that you slide, and the gimbal has turned on. It's moving, but it probably needs a mobile phone to be mounted on, so it's going to balance. Let me have a quick look to the guide, and then we'll come back to this. So now I'm going to go to, I went to the settings again, and going to settings, to gimbal, and then okay, just choose general and Bluetooth, and it says no device connected. Please make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on, device is powered on, and no other phone is connected. So let's put this on again, and it found this in a few seconds. Press on it, I have a pairing request, which I'm going to say OK. New version detected, update now. And press update on this. And I have an updating screen right here. The update has now completed. I have the newer version 8. It is connected to the phone. If I go to gimbal, I have scenarios, walking, customized, horizontal follow speed, vertical follow speed, and all that. And going back here, I have running. So the 3 scenarios: running, walking, and customized. I have a calibration button, level calibration and drift calibration and all that, and camera resolutions, video qualities, grids, and everything else that you want to set up. Now let me just place this. I'm going to turn this off now and remove it from the base, and I'm going to place my phone into it. As you can see, these are quite large, and place my phone into it like so. So let me put this on again and see what happens. I don't really know because I haven't used it before, but I would guess some extra settings would be needed to get it calibrated and working the way you want. Well, this is not a review, but there's another lock right here, so I unlock that as well, and let's do this once more. just to check what's going on. Power on. Okay, so right now tilt up and down, sideways, right here. That's the manual, and like I said, there's more buttons around here and more settings at the back and everything else, but you'll have to you do the manual and find out what how it's going to work best for you.